Have you been searching for the perfect family vehicle with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Compass Latitude in diamond black crystal pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, fog and cornering lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, incandescent tail lamps, manual 6-way driver passenger seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 23,000 miles on the odometer, Uconnect 3 with 5-inch display, rear backup camera, Bluetooth streaming audio, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5624.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.